So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today's lecture, I gonna share about how to restore backup, how to restore encrypt backup. It means anyone send you backup with encrypt, but means encrypt means with anyone send a backup to you with set a password. How you can restore? So simply in my previous video I already created on this topic how to restore, but only one method here you want to apply. Click on local station. If backup is of local station, so click on local station. After that, click on Restore Archive. Here you can see Restore application data from previous backup archive. And one thing here, Restore an archive you can also click. Now I created it today backup. So now if you select this particular backup, so if example it is a backup, anyone send it to you. So here you can see this archive is encrypted. Enter password to protect. Simply you have to write your password. So this particular backup password is ABCD, and click on submit button. You can see it is stacked. Password is right. You want to click on change your. So here you want to change the name of the application and click on store. It's storing. It will take one moment. Now current task is starting. Overall progress you can see. Also it will take under 1 minute or over 1 minute based on backup size. So you can see restore successful. It can open your backup in FactoryTalk View Studio. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my video, please hit the like button. And if you learn from my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss video. So keep learning, keep growing, keep watching, keep earning. Thank you. Have a great day.